If you're an electronic engineer, it's no secret how hard good manufacturers are to come by. Your prototypes need the highest level of quality and support to be produced in the right way. And your clients depend on your designs to serve the customers and improve their bottom line. That's why electronic engineers across the globe trust RayMing PCB with all their electronic manufacturing needs. With over 10 years of experience as an industry leader, RayMing's private lab and professional team offers fast quotes, delivery, and a one-stop solution for PCB manufacturing through assembly. Email sales@raypcb.com to get your quote within 36 hours today. Visit us www.raypcb.com.